What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install some carbon look decals that say Supra on the rear emblem on the Supra. Let's do it. What's up guys, so we're back again with the Supra. The Supra is nice and clean. You can see, just cleaned it. So today we have a different video. This one, we're gonna install a decal on the Supra logo, because I don't know if I did this or somebody did it, so this is broken. So I'm gonna put an inlay decal on top, but I'm gonna do carbon fiber. But I'm gonna show you different colors so you can pick the one that you like, because this product is gonna be on my website, in the description on the video down below. Okay, so let's install a red one. So let's see how it looks in red. Well, you can see it looks amazing. Okay, so now let me show you the other colors that I have available, but my plan is to do it in carbon fiber vinyl. Okay, so let me show you the other colors. So that's the white. It looks nice too. Looks cool. I like it. Okay, so now let's see the blue. Okay, so this is the blue. Looks great too. So remember, you can use a heat gun or a hair dryer to stick the edges like this. Right now I'm not gonna do it because this is not the color that I'm gonna leave on my car. Okay, I want carbon fiber. Okay, but you can see it looks amazing. So this one looks great. So remember this one, all the colors, I'm gonna have more colors available. Okay, so all the colors, the link for the decal is gonna be in the description of the video down below if you wanna get this for your Supra. Okay guys, that's the decal for the Supra logo for the rear emblem for the Supra, okay? But let me know what you guys think in the comments. The link for this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below. But your opinion, put in the comments too. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.